stand. Diane, lead the prayer. Okay. Through your Father, the Son, and Holy Spirit. Father in heaven, hallowed be your name. Give us this day your daily bread, and forgive us our sins, as we forgive those who sin. Don't bring us into test, but deliver us from evil. Before you take your seats, please pick up some pieces of paper to answer your chairs and arrange your chairs properly. Good morning, class.
Good morning, Mom.
How are you today?
Fine, Mom.
That's good to hear. Before we start our proper discussion, I have here a set of rules and regulations that you need to follow. Visible ba siya, class?
Yes, Mom.
Okay. Please read April Jean. Avoid talking to your siblings. Then turn off your mobile phone. Raise your right hand if you want to answer it. Please cooperate to all activities and avoid passing in and out while the discussion is going. Am I understand, class?
Yes.
Before we start, let me see if you have studied our lesson yesterday. I will give you a real quick quiz and answer it in a 1/4 sheet of paper. I will give you 10 minutes to answer. And you may start now. We end 9:19. of this land. Are you all done, class?
Oh, yes, ako. Ay, dili ka klaro. Oh. Kakita ka na dano, anak, ang ka. Hindi ra ipos.
You have 1 minute left.
Yes.
Two. Okay. The set of all ones beginning with M. Na tugulogin ang it's already 10 minutes class. Please pass your papers forward. And let's check if your answers are correct. Who wants to volunteer to answer number 1, A and B? Rojo. Okay. Number 2, Janica. Number 3, Buliser. Number 4, Dayan.
Wala sa kaulang. Wala sa kaulang. Wala sa kaulang.
Nada sa one, mag-beauty na na sir, pag nasa sa computer, up. Then, sa iyo na sila. O, yun.
The set of letters in the word Australia.
Okay. Number 1, give the cardinality of set A and B defined by A. So, bilangan. So, A, cardinality of symbol po na niya, pwede po siya, ano siya, nasa,
Okay.
cardinality din, galing po. Correct na siya ang answer, so, ang ulang ang ninyo kay absolute.
Correct.
And number 2, give the cardinality of the set of all months beginning with M. So, 2, that we have March and May. And the set B, the set of all vowels in English alphabet. So, we have 5. This is correct. And number 3, set A and B are defined by the set of composed of element of 3, 5, 7, and 8, and B composed of element X, Y, and Z. So the answer is 3 element of A,
Yes.
so true, and B is 3 element of B,
False.
false. So this is correct. And number 4, list all terms in each set. The set of all positive even numbers less than or equal to 10. So we have 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. So correct. And that's all terms in each the set of all letters in the word Australia. So we have the A, U, S, T, R, L, and I.
A.
So this is correct. So who got the highest score?
You get the score.
So it means that you have studied our lesson yesterday. So before we proceed our actual discussion this morning, I have some energizer for you, which is what we call 4-bit 1 word. I will give you 4 pictures and you will define it by 1 word. So this is
Sana all. Sana all.
Are you ready, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, what do you think 1 word of these 4 pictures?
Pwede pa.
Zumel.
Sets of
Very good. It is a picture of set.
Char. Tanggas kayo na.
So this one, what do you think describe 1 word in this 4 picture?
Venn diagram?
Dayan.
Union set.
Excellent. It is a picture of union.
Sana all. Ito yung saon na.
Lastly, what do you think? What word defines this picture? Muna, sir.
Intersection, ma'am.
Very good.
Intersect.
It's a picture of intersection.
Section. Lalo po siya bulok-bulok.
Before we start our lesson, let me first read to you our learning objectives. So, our learning objectives. Given the materials and activities, the student will be able to do the following with at least a 55% level of accuracy. A. Define union and intersection of sets. B. Illustrate the union and intersection of sets. And C. Determine the union and intersection of sets. So, for this morning, our discussion is all about union and intersection of sets. So, what is union? Union is that 2 sets can be added together. The union A and B denoted by A, union B. And this is the symbol of union. And is the set of all things that are mentioned after A or B. So this is the illustration of union. What do you observe in the illustration class? Alan, Jipper.
discuss
ang sunod sa isa set.
Okay? Ineglia? Jumen?
Two sets are combined together, ma'am.
Okay, very good. The two sets are
Yung
combined
English
together. And the two circles are shaded. Diba? Example. I have example. In the set A, composed of elements of 1, 2, and 3. And the set B, this is the set B, 3, 4, and 5. So we find the union. And our answer is 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5. So in our answer, what do you think? What do you observe to our answer? Dayan. The element,
Repeated.
Ang nimbaling na element nga nasa set A, dinaabot sa set B kay usa ra pag-ano na sa union.
very good. Take note that the union, no elements are repeated.
Repeated.
Okay. And
Char tayo yun ay.
And I have a problem. Mr. Park, a mathematics teacher, wants to know who among his students can do arithmetic and who among his students can solve complex problem. In the first column, student who can do arithmetic, which composed of Izel, Aliyah, Chini, Jeanette, and Rachel. And the second column, student who can solve complex problem, composed of Clyde, Faith, Kimberly, Izel, Chini, and Daniel. In our problem class, based on the example here, what do you think is our union? Who wants to volunteer or to try to answer or to no one?
What, ma'am, do you mean the students who can do arithmetic and the students who can solve the problem?
Yes, the union. The Elizar.
Kasi yung video. Ano ito sabi?
Tume.
One more. Izel, Aliyah, Chini, Janet, Ribgel, Clyde, Faith, Kimberly, and Daniel, ma'am.
Oh, very good. Let's give him a round of applause. So, it means that you already know what is union class.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's proceed to intersection. So, what is intersection? Intersection in a new set can also be constructed by determining which members or two have in common. The intersection of A and B denoted by A intersection of B, and this is the symbol of intersection. So, it's the set of all things that are members of both A and B. And this is the illustration of intersection. And what do you observe in the illustration? Bullet search.
Ako lang ba ang nasa A nasa B.
Okay, Nelia. Dayan?
The common part of set A and B are shaded.
Oh, very good. So, example, we have example, the same example of union. Example, so set A, we have element of 1, 2, and 3. Intersection of 3, 4, and 5. So, in our definition that we should find the two have in common. So, what our intersection is 3. So we have the set A, we have 3 here, and the set B, we have 3 also. So that's why our intersection is 3. So the two examples in the union and intersection. Who wants to draw a Venn diagram? Dayan.
Using the example, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Oh, yes. Dayan.
Union. Set A and B.
Okay, very good. So, let's go back to our problem earlier, which is this problem. So, student, who among of you students can solve arithmetic and can solve complex problem? Or in the other words, what is the intersection of this problem? Edwin.
The students who can solve arithmetic and complex problems are Hazel and Sheena.
Very good. It is obvious that our intersection is Izel and Chini. So, did you understand now?
No.
union of A and B? Elizur. Storyala.
The union of A and B is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 6, 8, and 10.
Very good. Let's give him 5 claps. So this is the answer. And which numbers are in the intersection of A and B? April J.
The numbers are in the intersection of A and B are 7 and 9.
Very good. Let's give her 3 claps. Example number 2. Draw a Venn diagram. In this given set, who can draw a Venn diagram? Anyone? Elizur, please draw a Venn diagram. So we have the universal of the element of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So in the set A, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 10. And the set B, we have 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So the common here is 4. So the union of A and B. What is the union of A and B? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Exactly. Okay. Cheeky. The union of the A and set A and B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, and 10. Okay, very good. Let's give here 2 claps. And so we have the intersection of 4. Jumin, two kami. So the group 1 here and the group 2 here.
bracket ka nung answer bracket.
Bracket.
Hindi mo nila ako si.
Are you all done, class?
Yes, ma'am.
So, let's start to record. Let's start to group 1. Choose one representative. Line 1.
Ayaw siya. Ayaw na.
Group 1. If A is composed of elements 1, 3, 7, 9, and 10, B composed of 2s, 5, Okay, good morning, classmates. This is our output. Group 2. If set A composed of 2, 3, 4, 5, then set B composed of C, D, E, F, and set C composed of 4, 5, 6, 7. So, number 1, A union B is a set of 2, 3, 4, 5, C, D, E, F. Then A union C is composed of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then number 3, B intersection A is equals to empty sets. Then B union C is composed of C, D, E, F, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then B intersection C is equals to empty sets. Very good. Let's give the group 2 a very good clap. 1, 2, 3, good. Class, look at the following sets. So we have the universal of sets composed of telephone, camera, computer, printer, pencil, book, notebook, calculator, desk, coffee, and tea. So in this Venn diagram, which elements are only in A? What is answer?
And the elements are only in letter A is telephone, camera, and computer.
Telephone, camera. Inaya? Chiki. The elements of are in A is telephone, camera, computer, printer, and pencil. Very good. Let's give here 2 claps. Telephone, camera, computer, printer, and pencil. Which elements are in both sets? In both sets. Anyone? Dayan. In both
Celtics guys. Calculator.
Very good. Let's give him here 5 claps. Six. A intersection of B. April G.
The elements are A intersection are printer and sensor.
Very good. Let's give her 3 claps. We have printer and PC. And now class, how to find union in a 2 sets? How to find union in the 2 sets? Anyone? Jume.
To find the union of 2 sets, we should look at the universal set, and we are going to identify the set, 2 sets, the following elements that dapat set.
Anyone? Very good. Anyone? Try.
In finding the union in the following sets, or if tenants shaded shaded ang A of
Dayan.
In finding the union of 2 sets, in finding the union of 2 sets, we must combine the elements of the 2 sets.
Oh, very good. And you should take note that no elements are repeated in union. And how about how to find intersection of 2 sets? Tricky.
To find the intersection is having common elements.
Very good. So we should find the common elements of the set A and B. So this time I will give you a quiz. Get 1/2 sheet of paper and answer it. Okay? Are you all done, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Please pass your paper forward.